So the beauty of doing such hikes, walks in dense, relatively untouched forests is really, really amazing, especially when you do it solo, completely alone. And I don't miss doing these things wherever I go. Most days I'm hiking or taking long walks in these kind of beautiful nature trails and places that not too many people visit. I mean, it's gonna be really scary when you come down here in monsoon, I'm sure. Right now, of course, is end of winter and the start of spring. Monsoons are, of course, crazy in these parts, just next to Cherrapunji and Mawsynram, the regions which are the wettest places on our planet. What a good feeling. Taking in these, views, the smells, and the sound of light breeze making all the dried leaves rustle as it glides through.